Hello everyone, I hope y'all are having a good day. I know I am, because today I made my first YouTube video and that's really exciting for me. I joined the beauty industry, so I hope y'all like my makeup videos, and well, let's get started with my first video. Comment down below and tell me how. We're gonna start with a moisturizer that I like to use, and I just apply it on my finger and all over my face. So let's do that. So next I'm gonna use my Maybelline Tattoo Studio. This is for my eyebrows, so let's get started. So next I'm going to be using this Maybelline New York concealer to conceal my eyebrows and my eyelids. So let's get started. I like to apply it on my hand first, because I feel like if I apply it all of it together, it'll be too thick, or it won't spread as evenly as I would when I do it with my brush. For my concealer, I like to apply it underneath, on top, and in the middle of my eyebrows, just all around, just so that I get that clean eyebrow. And I also like to apply it on my lid, so that whenever I apply my makeup, it stays longer and I don't have to apply primer. So next. On this palette, I will be using my whitest shade, just so that the other shades run smoothly. This will be my first one, just anywhere underneath my... Oh, I decided to use one of my custom palettes. I just made it at this class that I was taking, so I'm gonna use this color. It's like a light pink, maybe like salmon color, and I'm just going to apply it on my topper lid. So for my base, I decided to put the salmon color, the one that I had mentioned before, and then I did my cut crease and I added the white that we used at the beginning, just so that I could seal that in. And then for my next step, I'm gonna go with my palette that I recently made. This is from MAC, and these are the colors that I chose for my palette. I chose red, orange, yellow, and then like light green, green, baby blue, blue, and purple. And then I chose this gray that I'm gonna be using today, just to make it smoky. I will also use the black. So I'm just gonna blend this in here, the gray that I had mentioned before in my palette. I'm just gonna blend it out so that there's no lines in my makeup, and I'm just gonna do it on the corners of my eyes so that it won't make my whole eye dark. So now I'm taking some of my black from MAC as well, and I'm just gonna apply very little on there so that it goes on the corners of my eyes and give that a little bit more volume, since I'm gonna be in a dark place. So for my foundation, I like to use this brand that I bought in Mexico. It's called Bisou, and I like this brand because it stays on my face longer. It has a lot of coverage. And so then after my foundation has set, I like to apply a little bit more of my concealer, and I like to apply it in my darkest areas, such as my under eyes, and then I like to apply it on my nose like that, and then a little bit up.
Before this step, I applied bronzer on the side of my nose and on my cheekbones.
The salmon color that I had used at the beginning, with a little bit of gray at the end, just so that it gives it that touch that it's all together here in the corner. So I'm going to use my salmon color, which is this one. the gray just on the little corner. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit of blush to my face, and I am using MAC, and I'm using a really light pink color. So let's get started. So I only apply it on the tear dot area of my eye, which is like right here. So for my last and final product, I will be using this lipstick by Kylie, and it is the Candy K. So let's put it on.